Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kayla. Thanks for joining me for the 12 days of Planmas. Today is the third day of Planmas, and so I'm going to show you the wellness wheel. That's what we talked about looking at today, and the intentional growth planner. So this is a planner I've created to help me work on my professional and personal development and to have everything in one space so I don't have to be jumping around to different templates and planners. I have everything that I need here. If you want to check this out and get it for yourself, it's linked in the description below. I have it for GoodNotes in a PDF form and also for OneNote. So I'm going to be showing you how to build it in OneNote. So far we've imported the planner, just parts of it. I showed you how to do that. We filled out the monthly spread, and then yesterday we did the weekly spread, and also I started the purpose pages, and I showed those to you in the GoodNotes file. So I'll have those completed here in OneNote before the last day of Planmas, where I do the demo of the flip through. So let me actually create a new section, and this is going to be for the wellness wheel. So you just create a new section, rename it here. I'm just going to call it, I gotta have my text mode on, I believe. Let's see here. There we go, wellness wheel. And the cool thing about OneNote is it does tell you like the date that you're putting it in, but I'm just gonna put December 2021 because the cool thing about the wellness wheel is it's something that you probably should come back to over and over and be able to see like how's it changing and how are you doing now. So now I have my new section. I'm going to have the draw mode on, text mode on, insert, and my templates again are in the files. You can save these as PNGs if you're using the OneNote app. I'm going to make this bigger. Tap on it and then set picture as background. So that is the wellness wheel. So I love this template. I've seen a couple other YouTubers use this. I've also seen I did do it on a year-long coaching program where we did this, and I just think it's a really, really nice practice. So I'm going to use my highlighter for this. So the way that you do this is you fill out you color in the different sections 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for how fulfilled you feel in each area. And so like I have a scale out of 5. You could make these each like section 2, so you could rank it out of 10 if that's easier in your mind. And then you can fill in here, however many out of 5 you feel. And that's what the line's for. And then we'll use the reflection page to actually think about, okay, well, based on what we put in the wellness wheel, what do we want to work on for going forward? So emotional, this can be, I'm going to talk about all the sections. Emotional, you can really interpret these how you want to interpret them. For me, it's like, how am I feeling emotionally? Do I feel like I'm having good conversations? Do I feel like I'm in a happy place? Do I feel like I'm being fulfilled? And I'm gonna say 4 out of 5. I feel pretty good. I'd say the only reason I'm not saying like 100% is because I'm really tired. So you guys know I have a newborn. He's 7 weeks old, and I also have a 3-year-old. She's like 3.5 almost. So I'm just a little bit tired and lacking some sleep. So I'm gonna call that a 4. All right. Occupational, I'm not working in my normal job right now. I'm only doing my leadership coaching, which is my small business that I have outside of my career as a lab manager. But I would say that's going really well too. I'm really working on building out this coaching business and taking on more clients now. Even during maternity leave, I have a client that I'm working with. So if you're looking for leadership coaching, you can leave a comment below. Or you can go to my website, which is also linked in the description, and you can check out my community. It's called the Leadership Collaborative with KFA, and I also have a course called the Leader Toolkit. To get coaching from me, you need to join the community, and you'll grab that course, and then you'll have me, and you'll have all my resources. So beyond what I share for free here on YouTube. All right, so then intellectual. So for me, this is maybe a little bit lower. I'm gonna go with a 3. I'm not as focused on reading as I normally am, and I'm just feeling a little bit like my brain is a little bit mushy, and that's kind of how it feels when you're home with a newborn. So I know this is normal, but making space for just like slowing down and learning about one topic at a time instead of like trying to take in everything, I think will be helpful to me. So I'll get there. Environmental, I'm feeling really good. We are working on our house. We've just been doing some renovation projects. We're not done with our kitchen. We just have the island left and the countertops. So once those are done, I'll feel like so excited. And those will get done. They're kind of winter projects anyways, and I want to save up a little bit more for the countertops before we grab those. So I tried to use the eraser and that didn't quite work how I wanted it to. Small eraser. I had the stroke eraser on. So we'll get there. We'll get there. The house takes time to become a home, right? And I already love it. So financial, I'm feeling good. I'm working on meeting financial goals. Obviously, 5 out of 5 would be like financially free. I still have debt. I have student loans and a car payment and mortgage. So, but the cool thing is I have a plan. I love using the Budget Mom. She has a website, thebudgetmom.com, and she has an amazing tool for budgeting all of your paychecks and saving, using sinking funds and eliminating debt, which I love. Social, I'm going to give this one a really low score. I'm going to call this a 2. If anybody knows how to like change the, like this highlighter is, I would love it to be more like round. I don't know how to change that. If anyone knows, because it's kind of weird that it's like, I can't be perfect with my drawings. Here, let's see if I can clean them up a little bit. Anybody else like a slight perfectionist? I just like want it to look really nice. I'll have to come in here with like a smaller size and make it like all perfect. Here we go. Okay, so I'm gonna give social a 2 just because I'm not really leaving the house, and y'all know how it's been with COVID, and I haven't, I've seen my family recently actually, which has been really nice, but I can't wait to see them soon. So I really want to make more time to see them, and I will be. My sister has an event coming up this month, so I'll be able to go down and see her. And then I do have some friends popping by this weekend, so that's nice. I want to just like go out and do something, but it's really not the time. I want to go to a restaurant. Yeah, it's hard with couple kids. Physical, I'm going to say I'm feeling super proud of myself. I'm just going to go for a 5. I'm feeling so proud of myself postpartum, where my body's at. I have an awesome program I'm doing. It's called Bar Blend. And I have my workout plan. I think I'm eating well. I'm ordering my groceries, so they're coming to my house delivered, so that's nice. I'm not spending extra money on like junk. I'm trying really hard to eat enough so I can breastfeed with my newborn. And yeah, I'm really proud of the work I did leading up to having the baby, to just be like feeling strong and healthy. So I'm going to go with 5 on that. Spiritual. I would say I am feeling really connected, but I feel like I want to meditate more, and I just feel like I haven't really made time. And so just, I don't know, I'm trying to think, 4 or 5. I feel like this is an area where I tend to crave more. So I'm just going to give it a 3. And there's no shame or anything or judgment, because this can change. This is just kind of how I'm thinking about it right now. So, okay, so that's how you fill out the wellness wheel. And now you can easily see the areas where things are going really well and where things could be improved. So now I'll come over here and fill out the section. What areas need most attention and why? So I think social. I'm home alone. But I have been having more phone calls with my sister and my mom, and I have some friends coming over, so that's cool. So we're going to have family holiday, so that should help. Spiritual. I'm used to meditating a lot, and I haven't meditated because I've been so busy with baby. And I want to get back to journaling more. So that's why. And then intellectual, I think there's just not as much, there's just not been as much time and like energy to do as much learning just because I've been so busy with the baby and tired. And right now, physical, because I've taken some time to have a program for working out. I've worked on my nutrition. So I've been sort of focusing on that area just because I have to like be able to keep my body moving so then I can take care of my kids. So that's been really good. I'm really proud of my financial journey. Been working on having a solid plan for where my money goes. So I've been using the Budget Mom for that. And yeah, I mean, I have a lot of 4 out of 5s. I will just say, like, all the other 4s, I've spent 2020 really working on that stuff, and 2021 really working on giving those things attention, especially things like my work and finances, like I mentioned. And then also, I mean, our house, we've done so much work on it. What steps can I take to improve where desired? I would say number 1 that comes out to me is like I think I need to plan some dates to go like do something with my hubby because I haven't really seen him. I've been sleeping on the couch taking care of the baby and he's been working. So I need to figure out like a date, like maybe grandma can do some of that. And then I will be seeing my family really soon. So I'll see my family in December. And then the other area would be, I feel like spiritual and intellectual are connected. Sorry, my hand is not letting me write. I'm going to try, I think I talked about this yesterday, pair my meditations with my workouts, because since I already have this physical plan figured out, a good way to create a habit is to stack it on top of my workouts. Stack it on top of something you already have. That is something I learned from a book called Atomic Habits. Check out that book if you haven't read it. It's awesome. What can I continue intentionally to sustain wellness? Honestly, I feel like just taking care of my body helps me emotionally, because I am home right now taking care of a newborn. So keep doing that. And then stay on budget. It's the holiday season, and I think that sets you up for success for the rest of the year. And then what am I most proud of regarding my wellness? I feel like thinking about like my coaching business, or even like emotionally how I feel. Sometimes I'm a bit of a perfectionist, or like I'll self-doubt because I think I'm not like doing things good enough, even though I'm trying to do things to like the 200th percent. And I think something I'm proud of is being consistent with my affirmations, and with just taking action in my business when I'm feeling doubt, because action breeds confidence. And I'm a very confident person, but I always worry like maybe I'm like missing something, or maybe it's not good enough. And I think I have to just stop overthinking it. And what's cool is I become more self-aware and able to like notice and then reframe my thoughts and just be like, all right, let's go out there. Like, for example, this planner, it's like, just share it, go for it. There's no shame in that. If someone finds value in it, awesome. If they don't, like, that's okay too. This works for you. So anyways, thank you guys for being here for the third day of Planmas, getting real with me. And tomorrow we'll be back for another video. It looks like tomorrow is all about goal setting. All right, everyone, take care and have a wonderful day.